Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we discuss about what are variable scope and data type in C++. In the previous video, we discussed about what are variables and comments in C++. Before moving to the video, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. Without wasting your time, let's get started. Firstly, we discuss about what are variable scope in C++. Scope of variable is the region in code where the existence of variable is valid. Based on scope, variable can be classified into two types. First, local variable and second is global variable. What is local variable? Local variable are declared inside the braces of any function and can be accessed only from there. The local variable can be defined in the function like main function. What is global variable? Global variable are declared outside any function and can be accessed from anywhere. Like global variable are declared outside the main function and it can be accessed from anywhere. Let's do some example to master variable scope in C++. Create a folder in your suitable place and right click on it and click on open with code. It will redirect you to Visual Studio Code. If you have not watched the video getting started C++ installing VS Code and G++, do watch the video because without watching this video you would not be able to run C++ program. So watch the video first and after that come to watch this video. After that click on and create a new file. Type header file has include iostream using namespace std int main return 0. Okay, firstly we talk about local variables. For example, you want to declare integers, then int a is equals to 10, then it is called local variable. And outside the main function int b is equals to 50, this is called global variable. Okay, int b is at the outside of main function of any function, main function or any other function. Okay, and local variable is inside the function, so it can be accessed from inside the function. Cout print the value of is the value of a is a semicolon and run the code. Now you can see that the value of a is 10 printed in the terminal. This is local variable. Okay, now print the global variable because it can be accessed from anywhere. Cout the value of b is b semicolon. Run the program. Before it type endl and press Ctrl Alt N to run a program. You can see that the value of a is 10 and the value of b is 50. So the global variable will be accessed from outside the main function and outside the other function. So I hope you understand what are local variable and global variable. In the place of integer, you can also use character, float, boolean, double, long double, any variable you can use. Now discuss about what are data types in C++. Data type specifies the type of data that a variable can store, such as integers, float, characters, double, etc. Types of data types. First is built-in data type, second is user-defined data type, and third is derived data types. Built-in data types are those data types which are predefined by the programming language, example integer, float, character, etc. Built-in data types are the data type which are predefined by the programming language like integer, float, characters, etc. And second is user defined data type. User defined data types are those data types that are defined by user. User defined data type are those data type which can be defined by user. For example, struct, union, enum. Okay. And the last, derived data type. Derived data type are derived from the built-in data type are known as derived data type. Derived data type derived from built-in data type are called derived data type. For example, arrays, functions, pointers. I will cover struct, union, enum, array, function, pointer in the separate video, because firstly we have to cover basics of C++ and after we cover these topics. Okay, the chart of data types are like this. In the primary data type, integer, character, boolean, floating point, also called floating, double, void characters. Okay, in the derived data type, function, array, pointers, reference. In user defined data type, class, structure, union, enum, type, def. Now discuss about what are the rules to declare a variable. Okay, rules to declare variables in C++. First, names can contain letter, digit and underscore. It means that name can contain letters, digits and underscore. For example, the name of variable like int a. Name of variable contain letter, digits and underscore. You can make a2 underscore be a variable and is equals to 14 semicolon. You can see that no error is found in this code, so you can make this the name of variable. In the second number, name must begin with a letter or underscore. It means that name can be start from letter underscore. For example, underscore abc is equals to c. You can see that no error found in this code. In the third number, names are case sensitive. For example, mywhere and mywhere. It means that you can use any case sensitive, like for example char mywhere is equals to a and semicolon, and after that run the program and you can see that no error found in the terminal or code. Names cannot contain white space or special character like pound, percentage, etc. For example, char pound Chris is equals to k semicolon. You can see that in pound there is a red line which shows that pound not accepted here. Okay, so after deleting the pound symbol you can see that no error found in the code. After that, reserved word like C++ keywords such as int cannot be used as name. Reserved words like C++ keywords such as integer, float, characters, void, int, namespace and many C++ keywords cannot be used as a name. For example, you want to use int char is equals to 96, then you can see that error showing here invalid combination of type specifiers, so replace it with number, and after you can see that no error is found. Run the program, no error is found. In this video we discuss about variable scope and data types in C++. What are variable scope, types of variable scope, local variable, global variable, data type, built-in data type, user defined data type, derived data types. I will cover struct, union, enum, arrays, function, pointer in the separate video after covering all the basic topics. If you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and I will see you next time.